Now I'm pretty sure that this is going to go pretty quick. Oh, they want me to use a side door. Boy, I hope my vehicle's okay over there. Boy, I hope my vehicle's okay over there. Sir, you going to be here for a piece? You keep an eye on my vehicle for me? Thank you. Make sure nobody messes with my vehicle. I'd appreciate that. I got to go over here. The side door means I got to leave my vehicle over there. It's wide open. In today's world, oh no, Lord have mercy. So they want you to use a side door, but you got to come over here to make your line. And I just have a quick question. We already know what the answer is going to be, actually. But I'll go ahead and do this dog and pony show, because that's what everybody expects, for you to do the dog and pony show. No pun intended there on that one. So we're next in line. I'm going to have to tell you what all's transpired while we've been in this line here in a moment, because this probably up here is going to go real quick. We're next.
How can I help you?
Sir,
Yes.
I'm in here today to see about registering my mode of transportation.
Okay, a horse isn't registerable.
What?
Yeah, we don't have a way to register a horse.
Well, the reason I came in here, sir, is I've had so much criticism about whether or not I've registered my mode of transportation.
We do motor vehicles, though.
Well, that's what I thought, but
Yeah.
I keep getting this criticism about whether or not I'm registered to be on the road. Now, I
Right.
know the motor vehicle does cover me as a mode of transportation,
Motorist. Yeah.
but you're certain I don't have to register my horse.
There's no way for us to register a horse.
Are they working on that?
No, I'm pretty sure it was phased out.
Phased out.
Yeah, because when we started, we registered bicycles and stuff too. But now we don't do anything.
So bicyclists don't have to register anymore either? Because you see, I think where the criticism is coming from is the fact that we're using public mode of transportation. And I guess they feel that we're not
What do you
paying
mean?
our dues.
As
Like
far
we're
as driving on the
utilizing.
street?
Yeah, yes.
Or I guess riding them on the street?
Yes.
No.
No?
I mean, I can get you a supervisor, but as far as
Well,
I can tell, we don't do anything for horses.
and you've worked here a piece, so you're certain on that?
I can't be certain on it. It is a strange place.
Oh,
So
well.
give me 1 second. Let me
All
get
righty,
somebody.
I appreciate that. Told you I didn't have to register my horse, but now y'all get to see it for reals. I'll be right back. Tell me that. Tell me what you just said about when you saw my horse out there.
Well, I'm just saying for this nice young lady, when I saw her horse out front, that she brought back a lot of wonderful memories for me. Because
Exactly.
I had my horses when I was young, and I loved to ride, and we had cattle, and we had sheep, and we had chickens, and we had a wonderful, wonderful ranch, and I miss it very much.
And let me ask you, ma'am, if you could ride a horse today.
Oh
is
my
your,
God!
Is your mode of transportation with you?
You know it.
That's right. And
You
see,
know it.
You see any harm with him out there? On
I
that
don't
one?
see any harm in
That's
it.
right.
That's
You
right.
have a good day.
Thank you. You too, honey.
Thank you. Oh. What'd you find out?
Somebody coming up for you.
Oh, wonderful. You know, the other thing I wanted to ask, sir, is parking spot. Oh, I guess I don't need one if I don't have to register. I don't really need to be here, huh?
It's not really something we do. So they're going to talk to you about it, see if there's anything they know.
All righty.
Okay?
Thank you. Yeah, I'm just going to get the all okay from his supervisor.
Oh, all right. Okay.
Even though I already know that I don't have to register him.
Okay.
But
That's
there's
all
so
right.
many people
Gotta
out
go
there
through
that
the channels.
just
Yeah.
everybody gotta hear it with their own ears. I
That's
think.
right. That's right.
They don't believe when I tell them that I'm in compliance.
That's right. That's right.
We'll be back when the supervisor
Okay.
gets here.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, so the manager check, we only register motor vehicles, so you probably have to contact the city to see about registering your horse, because that's not something that we do here.
But it's the Department of Motor Vehicles that authorizes motorists to be on the roadways, correct? Not a city.
But you want to register the animal. We don't-
No, I don't want to register the animal. It's a mode of transportation. I've had criticism and I've had people tell me that I need to
I'm just
register.
telling you what the manager's asking us to tell you, okay? And you can't record us.
I'm not recording you, I'm recording me.
All right, so that's all I have to tell you. That's what she said.
Could I ask you a favor? I know you have staff meetings and quality control meetings and that sort of thing. In the DMV handbook, do you think you could put a little blurb or ask your people to put a little blurb in there addressing equine rights and motorist responsibilities when they encounter an equestrian on the roadway? Because we are covered in the vehicle code. There are laws, but yet there's nothing in the handbook to educate motorists about what their responsibilities are. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, folks, well, you heard it. I cannot register my mode of transportation. So the next person that has criticism to say, just watch this video, hit your angry button, and move on.